Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I am guessing you are into meditation, are a spiritual developer, or you just love crystals. Either way, don't look back because you just click at the right place. Hi, my name is Gisela. I'm a Reiki master and crystal Reiki. I'm a huge fan of crystals. One thing I have always thought about is how I can help people to understand their healing powers. Many times we look for answers outside ourselves, not knowing that we have all those answers within. We just need to know how to get them. And that is what this channel is about. Every Thursday, I will drop a video sharing my passion and experience that perhaps it will resonate with you. We will use the transforming power of crystals as well as other tools that can help us to build the life that we all deserve. So, hit the red subscribe button and stay tuned because this is the start of a great time together. I'm so excited. I will meet you back here soon. Bye for now.